looking at a service called Zantrio. It is a free stock picking service. So basically what they do is they have their trading strategy and then they publish their trades with recommendations for targets, stop points, and so forth. And then basically you can use their picks and decide which one is right for you. It is a 100% free service to use. All you have to do is just sign up with your name and email, like most free sign up websites, and then you get access to all their trades. So what we're going to do now is we are going to look, and once you log in, we're going to look at the screen that you get, which is their stock trading dashboard. And so you get a screen that looks kind of like this. The market's closed right now, so obviously they don't have trades coming in at the second, but these trades, they do update themselves with trades as the day goes on and so forth. So right now we're looking at their previous or their last 5 recommendations, and you can see that they don't only have buy, but they also have short. So whatever trading strategy you use, this service has them for both. So you'll notice that you have the symbols over here on the far left. So we have NRG, CREE, TMRK, and so forth. Then you have the time that it was alerted at. Then you have the signals of whether to buy or short. And then you have the status of what it's in. So for example, here we have no entry, the status. But what they're saying, but basically it's on their watch list, what they're telling you. Then you have CREE, which is in the third target. So what's great about this service is that you might notice this a lot on the Wild Investor when I give you recommendations, is that I give you multiple targets, because oftentimes people give you a certain target. They'll give you one target, but you never know how long it's going to get to that target. You don't know if somebody, the person who's doing the recommendation, they might know about the many targets in between, but someone else who's just using the recommendations, they might not understand that. And you could really, save yourself some money and even make more money if you get out these targets and so forth and such. So basically, we have these stocks, and it tells you the entry point if it's in one. So here we see the entry was at 30.40, and then it tells you the first target. And at the first target, they recommend that you get rid of 40 to 80% of your position, so you sell that off. Then at the second target, you get rid of somewhere between 20 to 40, and then on the third, you would obviously sell away all your position. Then so you see you have the entry, the first target, second target, third target, and they also have the check sign. So that means that you've hit the target. So as you can see for CREE, we've hit all 3 targets, meaning you should get out by now. Then here on TMRK, we've only hit the first target, and now we're waiting for the second, third. But then they also have the stop loss, meaning it's a good indicator that if the price goes below that, or the stock goes below that price, then it's probably a good idea to get out of this stock. So you see here real quick that it was at 9:31 today that they recommended it, and it recommended at 30.40. By the end of the day, the stock had gone past 31.62. Your profit was $1.22. Not bad. Then you see here 18.45, 138, and so forth. If you go to their site, they have a whole list of their previous, history with their recommendations. So basically, just go to their site, Zantrio.com. There's a link wherever you're watching this. I'm sure there's a link somewhere. So that is Zantrio. It's a completely free service. It gives you stock recommendations. You can use it if you want to use it just to find recommendation, and then you do your own analysis, or if you're trying to kind of get an idea if your idea is right. So that's Zantrio.